Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Boys.
Today we're making Japanese soy butter corn.
What you're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, which is Japanese sweet wine, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 corns. If you'd like, you can easily double the recipe.
First we're gonna boil the corn.
Once the corn is cooked, cut each one to half so it's easier to eat. Heat the pan and then add butter. And when the butter melts, add the corn. And now add the corn. And then cook the corn until all the sides are nicely brown.
Once your corn has become nicely brown, add soy sauce and mirin to the side of the pan. And then sweet. Now it's ready. Make sure it doesn't get burned.
Now let's eat.